If you want to create an icon style on Google Pixel 10a, first of all, we need to open Settings. Over here in Settings, we need to scroll down and search for Wallpaper and Style. Once you go here, we need to swipe to the home screen, and then we're going to swipe from the bottom over here to reveal this section, and you can go to Icons. Now, once you go to Icons, you can of course switch to Minimal Icons, or you can tap on Create in order to start creating your own custom icons. Now, in here, we should be able to choose the style. So let's say I'm gonna choose the Stardust. Now over here, we need to agree to use custom icons. There we go. And we can download the style. And there we go. Now we can use it quite easily. Unfortunately, it seems that these options are very limited, and perhaps it's going to be added, more options are going to be added in the future, I suppose, I hope. And you can easily switch between these styles. And unfortunately, in this case, we cannot really change anything, but if we choose, let's say, scribbles, then we should be able to make some small adjustments. If you see these dots on certain phrases, then you should be able to, for example, make some small adjustments, and then we can easily generate it and then download the style. There we go. So let's see how it looks like. There we go. Unfortunately, it works only for the home screen. It doesn't work for the app drawer. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.